Hey, everybody videotape it.
These niggas just roaming the parking lot,
Yeah,
though.
they do though. I would not be out there right now with them.
Hell no.
Come bang on the truck and shit.
They about to go attack them people.
I know, right? Look, he said he stopped in his tracks.
Might be like sure. Come towards me and hop on.
They deep out there.
They split up on me.
Yeah, they up.
He like, fuck that.
They're trying to flank you. Bird call.
That was attack.
Right.
They out here gang banging, yo. So you ain't got to worry about the people in Florida. Oh, they don't like that noise. So what are those?
I don't know.
She get off
She really got out. And they leaving the doors open. They gonna hop in the back seat with that nigga.
My man's in the front seat. He wasn't playing. He's smart.
Two minutes of that shit.